How to switch to creator account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch to creator account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to switch to creator account on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Instagram application that you can find here. And once you launch the Instagram app, what you actually need to do is you need to just make sure to tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, and you can see that I have a personal account. Now let's say I want to switch to creator account. Just tap the three lines option from here and you'll find all these sections where you want to simply go to the option known as tools. So let me also go ahead and go to account type and tools here for professionals. Once you're here, you can select switch to professional account, tap on it, tap on continue, and after that just make sure to select any of your categories here, and then on the next step it will ask you whether you're trying to choose a business account or a creator account. So in this case I'll select creator and then tap the next option, and I'll be able to successfully change my account to a creator professional account. This way I can switch my Instagram account to creator account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.